Okay, so changing a tire might seem to be very easy, but not for everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you a detailed way of changing your tires in the most appropriate and safest manner. So let's get to it. So the first thing you want to do is to check to confirm if the gear is on park. And when you've done that, you're going to lift on the electronic brake, so handbrake, so that the car doesn't roll over. Oh, newer cars don't come with this manual handbrake. So what you do is you just click on a button to activate the parking brake. So the next thing you're going to have to do is head onto the trunk, and when you pop it open, yeah, you bring out your caution sign and you lay it like some meters away from you. Although I don't have that, what that is for is other cars, incoming cars will know that something wrong with your car and they'll like swerve to the other lane. Then you stretch out and grab the jack and the lever used to turn it with the lug wrench. So this is what you're gonna need, these three things, and then let's go. So tires either come with a steel rim and alloy rim, but this one comes with a steel rim, and that's why it's covered with the plastic hubcap. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to pop this out so we can have access to the lug nuts. When we've done that, we have to loosen this lug nut, because if we lift up the car and try to loosen it, the tires just keep on spinning and it will be very hard to do that. So let's go. Just fix this in and you turn the lug wrench anti-clockwise. Just loosen them up a bit. Don't loosen them totally, if not they're going to fall out and the car is going to hit the ground. Just a little bit. Okay, and that's good. So before jacking up, even if we lifted the parking brake up, for extra assurance, we're gonna have to take either a rock, a plank, and wedge the back tires so it doesn't roll over. Come on. Next, you're gonna put your jack under and look for a very solid part where you can fix it. Do not put them on plastic plates, it just disfigure the plastic. So what you're gonna do is just gonna try bring this up with your hands and position it. Yeah, so when you've done that and it's all locked up, so you should know that when you want to raise up a jack, if the floor is wet, the jack would actually sink inside, and that will cause a problem for you if you really remove the tires. So look for a very solid ground. If where your car, maybe the tire deflated, is kind of a bad ground, just keep on driving the flat tire to where you can get a solid ground, and you do this. So when I brought this up to the top, I'm gonna fix this here. And keep turning it.
A few minutes later.
So now as you can see, the tires are above the ground and you can rotate freely. So let's go get a spare tire. For safety reasons, when you get a spare tire, put it under here. So in case you didn't place the jack wheel and it falls on the rim of the spare tire. So now get a lug wrench and you can loosen this up finally. So after loosening the lug nuts, sometimes the tire will kind of stuck to it, so you can just kick on this side and to loosen them up and just bring it out. So when you want to replace the tire, as you take out the spare tire, replace it with this. So let's go fix this up. So you just have to put this in the correct position. And when you've done that, tighten them up one by one. You can replace back the hubcap. Just do this. Voila. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna reduce the jack, put it out, and
75 years later.
what you're gonna do now, you have to return all your tools back to the trunk. Starting with the tire, the back tire. That's just how to change a back tire. And you might actually get sweaty and see dirty hands, but doesn't big of a deal. You just get water to wash your hands. And so guys, click on subscribe button, click on share button, share it to friends, and click on like button if you like this video. We drop car reviews and car related content every week on this channel. Thank you for watching.